Hello dear friends, my name is Ofela Gafarova and I am a twinning ambassador from Azerbaijan. Today we are going to explore TwinSpace, but first we should log in to our twinning account. Here you should write your username and your password in order to log into your twinning account. As you can see, this is the portal page. From this portal page you can go over the Twinning Life, My Groups, TwinSpaces. As we are going to discuss to explore TwinSpace, we go over TwinSpace. From our previous tutorials you can see from here you can go back to portal or go over Twinning Life, Groups, TwinSpaces or Learning Lab. Today we are going to discuss the forum section of TwinSpace. This is the home page of the TwinSpace. We navigate to forum. What can we see here? Forum. Why do we use forum? Forum is very useful tool for communication, collaboration of the project partners. But how can you use this forum? In this tutorial you are going to learn how to create discussions, create threads and reply to a thread, and how to create polls. Forum. Forums are only visible to members of this TwinSpace. Administrator can create multiple discussions. Teacher members and pupil administrators can create discussion threads. All members can add posts to a thread. So you can see here a blue button. It is visible only for administrators, so administrator can create a discussion. As I am administrator of this TwinSpace, I can create a discussion. The first discussion, an example discussion, it will be introduction. And in this discussion I want my my project members to introduce themselves. Introduce yourselves. Introduce yourself. Now I'm click on submit. So in this forum I can see, you can see this introduction discussion. If we click over it, you can see the title of discussion and the description of discussion. It says us to introduce ourselves. You are going to create a thread, and the title of our thread will be in introduction. And as you are going to introduce yourself, you are going to write about yourself. You can also add a link to your thread, a file, an image or a video file. Let's add an image. I choose one image from the project materials. You can add your own image, or you can add a video file. I add a video file, and also you can add a document. It can be a Word file or PDF or other file that you have uploaded in your project material. You can preview it as when you press the preview button, you can see what you have written in your thread, and after checking your post you can submit it. So this is introduction, this is the discussion of our forum, and this is one thread that below our discussion. There is 0 replies. If you would like to reply to this thread, you go over this thread, and here you can reply to a thread. You can reply to a thread. You can reply to a thread. You can also add image or a video file to your reply and submit it. If you want to get notification from this thread, you should subscribe. You will receive notification. You can add replies to this thread. Or let's go back to forum. Let's create one more thread. Also, you can add a poll to your thread. Why do we use a poll? It is a voting system, and it is very useful for project partners or administrator when they want to find out any discussed problems or any questions about the project. Let's write the title "Vote for this poll." Your question for the poll, for example, do you agree with any question that you like? You can ask yes questions or no, or add any question by clicking this button, or reduce questions. After it, you can submit it. So you can see a thread, vote for this poll. If you go over the thread, you can see the question and answer. When you click one of these answer and vote it, you can see immediate voting system in your forum. Again, you can subscribe to receive a notification from this poll. Let's go back to forum and consolidate what we have learned in this section, in this tutorial. So forums are one of important section for communication, collaboration of partners who can create discussions on administrator, who can participate, what can members and project students can do. They can only add threads. They go over discussion and create thread. You can create thread, you can reply to a thread, you can add a content to your thread, pictures, videos and files. Let's go back to forum. Thank you for your attention. Let's meet in other tutorials.